So how to connect Xiaomi 4 Lite to your phone through the Mi Home app, so you can see the air quality, see how much left you have from the filter, and also create some routines. For example, if you want uh, to set the purifier to start at a certain hour and stop also at a certain hour. So what you need is the Mi Home app. I already have it installed. If you don't, you just go to Google Play, type in the search Mi Home, and it's the first app, Xiaomi Home. Okay, so you start the app and you click on the top corner, add device. If it's not already detecting the device, you can just scroll through the devices here until you get to the air purifiers. So air purifier, you select this one, Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite, and it will show you that from the back of the purifier you need to press a button for about 7 seconds. So it's somewhere on the back. It will ask to select the Wi-Fi, so you need to have the Wi-Fi location and Bluetooth enabled. From here, click on next, and it will connect the purifier. It takes about 30 seconds. Okay, you select the room, the name, and from here you can just turn it on, turn it off. And from the app you can see the filter. In my case it's at 66 saying remaining, 193 days remaining. You can leave it to auto or sleep. Usually you will want to leave it on auto all the time. And the most important setting that I use is the schedule. For example, I set it to start every day, repeat every day, start at 4 a.m. and to end at 8 a.m. every day. So what this setting does is that the purifier will start at 4 a.m. and stop at 8 a.m. So this way I will benefit from purified air during sleep. In case you don't want to leave it running all the time, and you can also close it and start it from the app, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can connect the Xiaomi Mi 4 Lite to your phone and control it. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.